Medical marijuana in Missouri provides new opportunities for people to seek new treatment to a variety of illnesses, but it can also leave a gray area when it comes to enforcing drug laws.
So a dispensary in Lee's Summit is trying to clear things up for law enforcement. 41 Action News reporter Sarah Plake explains.
Everyday people like you and me may still have a lot of questions about medical marijuana, and so do the police. The goal of this training session was to make sure that when they walk out of this door, they'll have a better idea of how to react when they come across medical marijuana.
So this is where we need this training to really help us out.
Attorneys, police, and weed. On Wednesday, all three merged for a training session on how to understand Article 14 of Amendment 2, which legalized medical marijuana in Missouri.
We always know a couple things, right? It's illegal, what it looks like, what it smells like. Well, when one of those goes away, our whole world kind of changed. And unfortunately, a lot of times, training is one of the last things that we get.
Fresh Green Dispensary, which is attorney-owned, invited Ryan Hutton with Extracted to their Lee Summit location to provide the training.
It's not a reciprocity agreement.
Hutton took them through scenarios in the 2-hour course, when they can or can't legally search a car, what to look for when a person says they have a medical marijuana card, reasonable suspicion versus probable cause, and how much marijuana product certain card holders can have at a time.
Scratching the tip of the iceberg. There's so much involved in and so much coming.
Officer Mike Hans came from the Bates City Police Department and said before the training he had never seen what a medical marijuana card looks like.
The more you know walking up to a vehicle or talking to the public, the better off everybody is.
Several high-profile cases in the metro have sparked some outrage, including Jamie Wilson's, who was arrested for marijuana possession despite having a medical marijuana card after a traffic stop in Daviess County. His federal charges were eventually dropped.
It doesn't make any sense for the police because they maybe don't have the education or they're not lawyers and are left to interpret the rules. There's no reason they should be wasting their time on things that they shouldn't.
Fresh Green and Hutton hope that more law enforcement agencies sign up for training because in a matter of weeks, product will be on the shelves.
And they're kind of extending that olive branch, saying that we're part of the community, right? And we're here to do the best that we can.
Sarah Plake, 41 Action News.
The state approved more than 30 medical marijuana dispensaries in our area. We have an interactive map so you can find the one closest to you. You can go to kshb.com and search dispensaries.